to amplify 208. We've got some more updates here. The update on the heatsink is that last video I had continuity between the collectors and the heatsink, including the voltage regulator. I did find on the back of the heatsink all the mounting holes where the screw goes into the heatsink. On the back side of that, you will see that there was a burr on them. That's why it's very important when you drill holes into these heat sinks and then go to mount transistors that you deburr that right here. For example, for this hole here, take a drill bit, do something, chamfer that edge, get rid of that burr, because it can short out. So yes, we got that fixed. I put some Capcon tape and everything inside here, made myself insulators for the voltage regulator, so that's no longer an issue. These are no longer an issue, chamfered all of them, got all the electrical isolation on there, so that's good. And now my JVC MXK60 was nice enough to donate its power supply, so now we're going to put in here plus and minus 28 volts, which works out to about 24, should be about 40 volts or so on here. I haven't powered it up yet. I do have it on the dim bulb, and these circuits are fused. So we're going to power this up and see if it explodes. So let's do that. Dim bulb did go extremely bright there for a second and turn out. Definitely get the power light on here. Alright, that's good there. Nothing exploded. That's good. That's a bonus. Alright, so we got some power here. Now let's check some voltages. Alright. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, remember these are high voltages, These are it's direct current too, once it comes off the rectifier, so if you're not comfortable doing this kind of stuff, don't do it. Take it to somebody who knows what they're doing. Alright, so we're going to go ground here. And I'm going to go up over here, ground all the way around, go here. Right now we're going to see what kind of offset we got going on here. So we got millivolts, DC offset. Oof, look at that. 167 millivolts there. And 155 on that one. It is current limited, but there's still quite a bit of DC offset. Alright, what about this side here? Go to the subwoofer channel. What do we got for an offset? 184 millivolts. And it is jumping around. It may go down once it warms up and stabilizes. I highly doubt it though. Alright, we got here, go down, check out the collector voltages. Also, I put the meter in there somewhere you guys can see it. You have to excuse me, I'm working with a shit camera and a bunch of other stuff here, so. Let's go up here for ground. You can see the meter. Okay, here we go. Alright, check the collectors. Should be the ground, so let's go here. It's supposed to be ground. Connection going on. Here we go. Shows the non-auto ranging meters. That's the range. There we go. Negative 35 there. 35 there, plus or minus 35 volts, 35.2. And let's go down over to here, check out the other ones. This is the same rail. It's a negative rail. Don't try not to let the probe slip and short shit out. 35. Okay, so we got our voltages there. Let's check from base to collector. What do we got here? Nothing. Turn that down. Turn that again. We got from here. Looks at 1 point. 120 millivolts, but looks at that. 100 millivolts. Here. Do feel something getting warm on the board here a little bit. And we got over here, so you can still see this. Try to get you guys to see this here. Yeah. Hands are in the way. Alright, so what do we got there? We got 113 millivolts there. Should be around the same, but it's basically not. What do we got from here to there? Nothing. Here to there. We got emitter to emitter. We got. Doesn't really want to show it, obviously. This isn't the greatest meter. We know it ain't gonna blow up. Seem to have good voltages everywhere. Let's see. I miss my old meters. I need my other equipment. I don't have half my stuff, so it kind of sucks when you're doing this. You don't have good meters and stuff like that. So there's plus 35. And then we got negative 35. So plus and minus 35 volts rails. Which is good. What do we got over here? What do I got for, let's see what I got on my fan circuit. Try to get it in the shot here. Check the power supply for the fan, just the voltage regulator. And we got 12 volts. Some things getting warm. So that other side here. So let's flip this board back around. Alright. I'm not feeling anything get too warm. Heatsink's actually pretty cold. It's not even cold yet. Probably because there's not a lot of power going through this right now. Taking this output stage is barely even on. 100 millivolts going across there. And 114 there. And that's where the DC offset's coming, because these collectors, the emitters of these drivers go through these 220s, which are connected to the emitters between here. So that's probably where the DC offset's coming. This side doesn't have anything. Let's just check this one. Doesn't have anything. What about this side? Nothing there. The meter probably doesn't range that low. Piece of shit. But it does work. That's all you need, though, really, as long as you can read voltage here and there, and resistance, which it does do. Alright, let's feel some of these. And you can put your fingers down in here. Just be careful though, because, you know, stuff does get warm. Okay. And I'm going to bring it back here a little bit and I kind of show you transformer here. This is the power supply here. And you can see it is fused. And I got a hook there, plus minus, and the positive and negatives are there. And it is fused on this side. And the circuit is here. So yeah, so let's get a test tone put in this thing. Get that set there. Well, I don't think it's gonna blow up a set of speakers, so you know, we'll just do that. Hook up some music. Just give me a sec. Let's see here. A little bit of buzz, a little bit of hiss and buzzy. Well, you have heard a lot worse. And I'm hooking up a set of the speakers off the K60 JVC, the R6 ohm load. So, it should survive. If not, oh well. And all is for the name of science. Make sure there's no shit wires in there. Alright. We don't have it. Make sure the volume's turned down. It's turned down. Alright. Alrighty, so now that dim bulb over there, it's definitely glowing pretty good. As you can see, it's glowing. So, like I say, it is a 65 watt bulb. I don't know if I really even want to turn it off the current limit at this stage. Probably could, but the hell, why not? Let's just see what happens. Well, it's off and it didn't explode. Okay. Alright, so you have to give me a sec here. Signal source. Let's just see if it amplifies something at the moment. Put that in. Put that in. Well, it amplifies this for sure, so I'll turn that down. Give me a sec here. I got a bunch of crap. Yeah, let's see. Where's that cord? Well, you're seeing what it takes to do this bunch of crap when you don't really have your lab set up anymore. But it works. I could hook it into the TV, but I don't want any copyright horse crap. I want to feed a signal into it, so let's do that. There's ground. What I'll do is I'll plug it into the TV, actually. I was going to use a little signal generator off my scope, but I kind of want to look at everything with it. There's that. Alright. Let's find some music here. Just give me a sec. Find some music. Wherever that is. Sure don't want to play that for, but the only thing is when I usually use my phone for this, but my phone right now is recording. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some music through it. Yeah, I can. Yeah, it actually doesn't sound too bad. Turn that down for a sec. Turn up the treble. Well, that's the bass. There's some treble. Well, that's not exactly what I wanted. That actually sounds pretty damn good. Like I said, I don't want to copyright strike at the moment, but I will give more of an update on it. I want to do some dummy load testing. I want to do some waveform. I want to look see if there's any crossover distortion. I will make over a little note on that. But as you can see, we got this problem fixed. And yeah. Hold on, let me see if I can get some copyright free music going on here, so just give me 1 second.